Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to filter Excel data using Vlookup function. Microsoft Excel has a lot of function to filter the data. Vlookup is also one of the important function to filter the Excel data. In my Excel sheet, I have a bike spare parts table. Here I would like to filter the data. In sheet 2, I have a part number and product name and part price. If I filter the part number, product name and price should be filtered. This data fetched from the sheet 1 and filtered based on the part number. So let's learn how we can filter the data by using Vlookup function. So first we have to remove these functions. All of the data fetched from the sheet 1. Here first we have to filter the product name. So we have to select this column and enter the equal to Vlookup. It will be open parenthesis. Then you have to select the lookup value. Lookup value we have to select this cell. Then we have to add the comma. Then we have to add the table array. The table array we have to go to sheet 1. So the product name we have to fetch from the product column. So we have to select the entire table. We have to go to sheet 2. Now you can check it out. The automatically added the table cells, but the sheet you have to change the sheet 1. So now we have to add the comma. Then we have to add the column index. So we have to add the second column. If you add the true, it will be shows the approximate match. If you want to the exact match, you have to add the false. You have to add this. Now it shows the not applicable. If we enter the any one of the part number, it will be automatically shows for the product name. That means we have to add A01. The A01 product name is oil gun. You can go and check it by using sheet 1. Now the filter has been worked perfectly. So we have to check as a center. That's it. The same formula we have to apply for the part price. So we have to just drag it. That's it. But we have to change one changes for this formula. So we have to double click the formula. Here the lookup value should be C2 only. So we have to add the C2. Column index should be 3. Then we have to add the false. That's it. So now if you change any part number, it will automatically filter the product name and product price should be filtered here. This data fetched from sheet 1. So we have to add the one more function that is called the drop down. Remove the data, select this cell and go to data validation. It will be open the data validation window. Here you have to select the list. You have to click on the source. Again click on this icon. Go to sheet 1. Then you have to select the table data. That means we have to select the part number only. So we have to select the column 1. Go to sheet 2. Click OK. Now the drop down icon has been enabled. Now you can select any one of the part number. It's automatically filter the product name and product price. So in this way you can filter the Excel data by using Vlookup function. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.